Hey everyone, it's Jake Hall, the Manufacturing Millennial, here at KUKA Connections 2023. I'm with the one and only Bryan Sellers from SICK. Bryan, how you doing today,
I'm
man?
all right, dude. How are you?
I'm doing phenomenal.
Good.
I'm doing phenomenal. And,
Good.
you know, we're here at this event. We're talking about all the solutions that are happening in the manufacturing, the robotics, and the automation industry.
Yes.
SICK has a large portfolio of different products. What are you guys doing in the robotics space, and what are you showcasing?
Sure. So it's almost what we're not doing in the robotic space. Might be easier, but some of the things that we concentrate on for sure in the industrial robot space is in as far as robot guidance. So
Yeah.
that could be either through 2D or 3D vision. Obviously, robot safety we kind of got on the map with the safety laser scanners back in the. I think we came out with those in the 90s sometime, and we just continue to kind of evolve on those to 3D vision based safety as well.
Yeah.
And so all kinds of robot safety, all kinds of robot guidance. It could be feedback, like encoders, things like that. It could be sensors for grippers to make sure they've gripped the products properly. It's basically all the way, we say, from the base to the tip of the robot.
Yeah, absolutely. And, you know, what are we showcasing here? I mean, first of all, we have Starburst candy. Everyone's
Yes.
one of their favorite candies. It's my daughter's favorite candy. What are you guys showcasing here? And you're doing picking, but not just picking, color picking.
Right. So what we were showing here is 3D bin picking.
Yeah.
And we are using a stereo vision camera with structured light as well. We are getting RGB data, so we can do the X, Y, and Z that you would see in a 3D vision system. But then we're also giving you that color to where we can tell you if it's one color or not. And so what we're doing with this, we're demonstrating this by finding not only the candy, where to pick it up, but then we're also identifying the color and putting it into one of the bins based on the color.
So what's one thing that you guys are looking for when you're integrating a lot of different solutions? What does a partnership mean to you guys? Not only from, you know, working with your suppliers and working with your distributors, but also working with other manufacturers and making those solutions come together to deploy a problem that we're solving in the industry.
The partnership, there's so many facets of it. It could be a partnership between an integrator and a customer. It could be a partnership between a manufacturer like SICK and the customer. It could be a partnership between the customer and KUKA. Or the manufacturer of the bot. There's, you know, partnerships between us and the manufacturer of the bot. All those are trying to basically solve a problem, create a solution for a customer need.
Yeah.
I love the statement we just heard just a minute ago. People aren't trying to sell quarter-inch drill bits. They're trying to sell a quarter-inch hole, you know, and I love that. I'm going to have to remember that one. But so what we look for in a partnership is truly how we take our solution that we have. We take the solution that another manufacturer has, and then how do we combine that to give an overall solution to either an integrator that can then turn that into a solution for the end user or to the end user themselves if they've got the savvy to be able to, you know, to make it all happen. But so that's what we do. We're looking for these partnerships. We're wanting to partner with OEMs like KUKA, just to, again, you know, say this is what we can make possible. We can enhance your offering already, and maybe put you in a position to be competitive in the market.
Awesome. One final question. When it comes to new products out there, how can you help customers adopt new solutions that they might view as a risk, but guiding them through that process to say, no, this is something that's going to help solve the problem that you're looking for?
Right. So you know, you can tell me, but you need to show me.
Yeah.
And so we have an office in Detroit where we have a lot of these solutions on hand. We have robots there. We have good partners like Shunk that has people up there that can help us even pick out end effectors, grippers and things for the robotic applications. And so, again, those are partnerships we like to have too inside this robotics ecosphere that we can kind of go to and say, hey, we need to do this. Can you help us?
Yep.
They give us that end effector part. And so what we do is we test them. We test to make sure that not only our solution can work, we've got the solution to pick it up or to handle the part, if you will. And then the bot itself, is the payload capacity okay? Is the reach okay for the bot? And so we can test all that stuff. And so it's kind of like you don't have to take our word for it. We'll walk you through it. We'll test all the stuff before we even consider trying to put you a quote together or something to make the whole thing work.
Awesome. Well, Bryan, thanks so much for your time.
You're very welcome.
I
Thank you.
appreciate it. It's always great having a conversation
Absolutely.
with you. And we'll see you guys soon with some more solutions.
Take care.